Mm. They just got blasted away. I don't think anyone could even keep up with Shigaraki. Maybe, hopefully they can do something. Or like, I'm hoping like Mirio, like the big three can come together and fight or something. I don't know. Help Baku get out of this. It looks like they gave up. Oh. Oh. Oh, okay, so they did. Okay, so he is here. Alright. So I just saw him in the intro, so I was like, oh, he's gonna show up at some point. Oh, what's that? Just Mirio? But I guess that was now. Alright, but they need to hurry up. Mm. That arm is so disgusting. Nice. Oh. Mmm. It's like a chameleon. Oh, octopus. Okay, he poisoned him. That's not fair. Mm. This is like the first time we're seeing the big three fight together, I think. Nice. Okay, yeah, get him out of there, please. That was uncalled for. What? Hmm. Hmm. Oh, he's catching her attack? Oh, okay. Oh, nice. Well, again, this is gonna work for a little bit, but we know it's not gonna do much because Deku has to fight Shigaraki. Like, they're not gonna defeat him before Deku gets there. What? He still wants to fight? Oh. Oh. If somehow Mirio could get Bakugo's attack to hit Shigaraki like he just did with Nejire's, that would do a lot of damage. Because I don't think hers is doing much. Look at that little mark on his chest. Yeah. So if he can do that with Bakugo, that honestly should kill him. If he can't regenerate. So as always, keep watching him.
Okay.
Oh. Yeah. Yeah, he did not think he would take that so seriously. Hmm. Okay, so this is the part that just reacted to him saying he had no friends. Oh, okay, his little self. Hmm. It's a nice transition. Why is he still going after Bakugo?
時間稼ぎに構う理由がない。多少はひるんでくれると思ったのに。俺はお前の時間を稼ぐぜ、玉木。
Oh, okay, so they want him to do the damage.
来い、してみろ来い。弱の攻撃が。無理するな。意識を。
Oh, he's taking off the cape? It's been 2 seasons. They're not doing much. That's the thing. Bakugo has the firepower to damage him. I don't get why. I guess he doesn't have the speed or something? Or the experience like they do. Hmm. Better not be getting a flashback because she's about to die or something. I don't think she's just curious and interested to know all the different quirks. I did not get that at all, but okay.
知りたいと思うほどみんな離れていっちゃうの。ヒーロー、誰が好きなんだい？どうして親指上げてるの？
Oh. Yeah, one of them better not die or get hurt or something. Or maybe she's about to have her moment. Oh, okay. But right now she is single-handedly holding up the arms, so that is definitely a moment. That's very impressive. Oh, alright guys. Sun Eater. That's so sick. Because her energy waves are like the sun and he's eating it right now. Perfect name. Oh. Oh, okay. He noticed. Plasma cannon. Oh, he made more? Nice. Oh! Okay. Alright. It wasn't as strong as Bakugo's, but... that was sick. That was like a team attack from all 3 of them. I love that. Because that's the first time we see them all fight together. And to pull that out, of course, he's still not done. Alright, Bakugo. But he's so injured. Okay. Oh, okay, he's definitely faster now. Or fast enough. Probably was always this fast. That was a direct attack. Or a direct hit. Oh no, so maybe he is faster.
個性爆破そんな彼が編み出した新技クラスターには本人も知らない副作用がある勝ちを見据え戦に弾を溜め続けた結果弾は別の出口を求め体中から全身からの爆破が
That makes him faster, yeah. So this is like a final attack. He has to, well, I don't think he's gonna, because Deku was to fight Shigaraki, but usually this would be like his final ace hole in the sleeve or whatever.
イズク俺まだお前に追いつけるかななぜ僕は今焦っている
He didn't expect it.
そうだいや
Oh, he wants the autograph?
俺サイン欲しかったんだよな
Such great character development. Whoa. They all took this opportunity. Or what is happening? Oh, they were trying to save him. Ugh. His parents.
理解したかこの先は僕らの物語だしっかりしろ今治療する
Oh, okay, it stopped? Well, this can't be. Wait, is his heart gone? Or would it? Oh my god. Okay. Alright, I'm watching the next one. There's no way they just killed him. Oh, we're going back to Toga. I want to see what just happened with Bakugo.
早く遊泳に行かないと
Oh, okay, no, this is Deku. Alright.
以上速度が緑谷君さっきから嫌な予感が続いているオール・フォー・ワンの個性がまるで増大しているような
What does that mean?
あれは
How are they increasing? It's not like he's been... They've both been fighting. I don't know. So unless he's evolved to like a point where he's just getting new ones. Yes, there's no way they just did that. I feel like he's still gonna be alive somehow. But I can't tell if his heart was... Was there a hole in his chest or did his heart just stop? Cause that looks like a hole.
心臓をやられたこんな化け物が今度は死んだ誰が緑谷遺族のプレゼントになる
He's gonna try to stitch him up. Alright, Deku, come on. You can't let them all die.
てめえをぶっ殺せてるや私があと一歩早けりゃ 気にするなよウサギ山ルミ君だけがしょうもなかったわけじゃないヒーローが減ってあんな青にさえすら前線に立たざるを得ない状況
That is true. Honestly, they shouldn't have to be fighting in the first place. But they're all strong enough. But there should be way more strong adults.
たとえそれが徒労に終わると決まっていたとして
Oh my god, what's going on with Dabi too? He's glowing.
敵に氷を打ち込まれる前に一か八か真似してみたこれであ
Oh, he learned it that Dabi he's kind of like a genius. How did he learn that move that fast? And it took Shoto so long. Oh, Mr. Daddy issues. What is Skeptic gonna do?
国外に逃げてまで頭脳を失った会社を存続させて何にだ。どうこせば思考停止の泥人形だ。私は違う。あまねく人々は平等に能力を生かし、それによってのみ権益を勝ち取る。
What is he talking about?
さっきからシステムエラーが。
Oh, he's gonna shut that thing down?
オール・フォー・ワン。お前は好きにやれ。私も好きにする。あれらは新たな世界、不要な者たちである。でもあんまり暴れちゃダメよ。
These two. I just hate how the villains are they're always a step ahead. Whoa, okay, so he's using Ares' quirk to go all the way back. Is this our first time seeing his face? So no one's winning right now. Because Dabi's back, All For One's still going. Shigaraki is barely getting touched, like let's be honest. We haven't even been back to Toga yet. I don't know. It's just so frustrating how they can never get ahead. Oh, okay, so since he has her quirk to reverse the time on himself, I guess, that's why he's getting all his quirks back. I think that's what he meant when he said he's getting a bunch of quirks. And he was already strong before. Oh, careful. Yeah, he's very fast. Oh, he's just gonna take all their quirks. And no one can stop him because he's so fast. Yes. Well, I feel like it's too late. That quirk's gone. Oh, so he's gonna end up dying. So can you not turn off the quirk? Yeah, so this is... he can't stop her rewinding. Okay, we're in the US. Oh, so we're gonna send some backup? I mean, our number one hero failed, but maybe like 2, 3, 4 could do something. Yeah, what else was they gonna do? Obviously the enemy. Yeah, that's a stupid play. Then he's gonna try to kill him. If only we can get rewind on One for All. Huh, maybe there's a way. I don't know. To get him back to this peak form.
ないのか。ちょっと
What's he doing?
どこにでも忍び込む忍者ヒーロー。
Oh, is he gonna try to?
人の体なる幾度も忍び熟知している。
He's gonna try to beat his heart or something?
諦めてたまるか。無駄なこと。俺は受け入れない。
But even
今止まった心臓は我々が消す。
yeah, because I mean, even if he does beat the heart, how is he gonna get it to start beating by itself?
かけたものは俺が埋めて神原戻れなくなる。
Oh.
だからあと
Oh, okay, so he's giving his life for this. All right.
袴田会長
They've been friends for a while.
千枚同士極俺がこの子の心臓になる。
Okay, so we are able to save him. I thought he was just gonna beat it until someone could come heal him or something, but this makes a lot more
体を
sense.
薄く細く引き伸ばせる彼の体はさらに細く流血も止まるほどに引き締まり、
ウォッシュから譲ってもらったバブルで体を洗い体内に忍び込む。
Oh, that was Genius.
興
Yeah.
奮しているがまた血は流れている。この体で各機関の内と外を補修しつつ心肺活動を補助。内からの心肺蘇生。赤毛ジーニストミルコ傷つく以上あいつに効いてないわけじゃない。
Yeah, they are hurting
全部
him.
取るんだ。
それは僕がもう壊したんだよ。
Can we keep him away? Why does he want to kill Bakugo so much? Jeez.
壊さなくちゃ。
Why don't they just take Bakugo away somewhere? Since he wants him so bad.
それは壊したんだよ。
Nice.
そんなにひねり潰されたい。 なんだ
Yeah, it kicks some sense into him.
この体でありえないダメージなど感じ。いや待て、最後に食らったあれ。
Did he feel
あの
that?
時
Oh, okay.
まさに火についた。ありえん。あの時の焦り、あれは脅威を感じていたというのか。
Yeah, these are superiority conflicts.
ミルコ、優しいな大魔どこ見てんだ。人間死ぬときゃ死ぬけどよ、全取りだっつうならそうするぜ。
She is such a cool character.
ミルコ、
She always has these cool moments.
後悔残して死んでらんねえからな。
Nice. Now that he's feeling the damage, this is really good. But everyone was just so beat up.
壊したのに。信楽戸村の体は最適な形を求めている。破壊を求め膨張した指の塊は最適のはずだった。
Oh, but now it's not, so he's doing something to...
ヒーロ
Yeah.
ーたちは超えてきた。情によって回復を封じられた心のストレスが彼を蝕み、そして体はこの場により適した答えを導き出した。
Whoa, okay.
いい加減にしろよ。
Oh, he's faster. He can punch her to the ground. Nice. Oh no, he still hit her.
見るよ。
Ah. Okay, Deku. How much longer? Come on.
俺単体じゃもう見向きもされない。
Mm.
そう明らかな暴虐兵隊拒絶の形、それが結論か。
He's trying so hard, but he can't do much.
これが大丈夫。俺の未来なのかよ。ナイトアイ。
電子バリアを一瞬解除する。2秒押し答えて。
何を。いや待て。2秒は長すぎる。
What? Why?
今は意識を向けさせなきゃ。俺に。でも俺にはそんな武器。
Talk about his friends again. That got him last time.
だから元気とユーモアのない社会に明るい未来はやってこない桃がなってるよ。
Okay. I mean, that worked. 2 seconds. But why? Oh, okay, so Deku's here. Oh. Oh, do not end it like that. Ah.